Hi, hope you're well. Just a quick one on bank holidays and child maintenance payments. Just thought I'd explain how it works because there's often quite a bit of confusion. Around bank holidays, I often see on the Facebook group lots of people saying, am I going to get my money? Or where is my money? Etc. etc. Let's explain. So, two types of payments. First, if you receive money from the child maintenance service, they use what they call the BACS system, which means a couple of days before it's due, they send thousands of transactions, a bit like payroll in a large company, and that takes 2 working days. So that system doesn't work on a bank holiday, and at the time of recording this, it's a bank holiday, so no one will receive a BACS payment today. So if you expect a child maintenance payment and it's a bank holiday, on that day, you won't receive it. Child maintenance do not send payments early. They have to send them as per the schedule. This means that if it's maybe a Christmas bank holiday coming up and the money via collect and pay is sent to the child maintenance service early, it does not mean that it will be forwarded to the person early. Child maintenance will not forward the money before it's actually due to be sent. So they get it early, they just keep it in their little pot. Now the other way of payment is obviously if you're on the direct pay service, you receive money directly from the paying parent, and that comes to you in either 2 ways. It comes via standing order, or it comes via faster payment set up on the day or days beforehand. Standing orders often get confused with direct debits. A person can set up a standing order which sends money from their bank account on a particular day, and it's a regular sum. So it might be pay the child maintenance every Friday, £100. Or it could be pay the child maintenance on the 28th day of each month. That's a standing order, and standing orders don't pay on bank holidays. Now, if they send faster payments, so if you've got an ex that likes to leave it to 5 minutes to midnight before they send the payment, that's a faster payment. Now, those payments should still arrive because anyone can go to their bank account on a bank holiday and make a faster payment. There's one way of finding out whether you're paid by standing order or faster payment. If you wake up in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and your child maintenance money's almost always there, that means it's probably paid by standing order because the banks send them in the early hours of the morning. If you don't get your child maintenance money to the evening, the afternoon, then that sounds to me like a manual payment's being made. So if you're paid manually, you should get money. That money should arrive today. And it would be a foolish paying parent to not send that money if that's how the way they normally send it. So hopefully that answers a few questions. Bank holidays do impact upon child maintenance. Depending on how it's made, it can delay it by a day or so. But also the important thing to say is obviously the child maintenance service are aware of this. And at the time of recording, they don't allow receiving parents to report until the payment's 3 working days late. Not 3 days, 3 working days. And a bank holiday is not a working day. So, for example, we've just had Christmas week. If a payment was due on Christmas Day, which this year was a Wednesday, Boxing Day was a Thursday, so the first working day would have been the Friday. The second working day is the Monday. The third working day is the Tuesday. The Wednesday's New Year's Day, and then that means the actual payment could arrive as late as Thursday or before it needs to be reported. I hope that makes sense. So if you're a paying parent and you pay by standing order, you've got nothing to worry about. CMS are aware of that, and obviously your partner can't report. The system doesn't allow them to report it as late if it's a day late due to bank holidays. Hope that's been of use to you. Can I ask you to like and subscribe? 90% of people that watch my videos are not subscribers. So if you regularly watch the videos, why not subscribe? Thank you very much. Have a good day. Happy New Year to you.